Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're on this 2-litre Jaguar petrol, it's the XC 2017 I think, and you've got the P008A or even the P2635. Now these would be triggered and the symptoms would be like you'll get judder, there'll be loss of power, the car wouldn't function as it should. It feels as though there's misfire. There's a few things you can do, there's a few ways to go about it. These fault codes are just generic, if you ask me. They're not 100%, you know, here's the fault, there it is. I would check them. What I would do is, to start off, check the fuse board, make sure that there is, in other words, no fuse blown whatsoever. If that's all right, that's the easiest and cheapest option. Move on to the fuel tank. There's the pump on there, and make sure that there is correct voltage and it is functioning and powering as it should, so it's chucking the right amount of fuel. If they're all right, then there's the high pressure fuel pump as well, which is just here. This is the other thing that you can do, is check. They're the ways you'd eliminate. Obviously look at the cylinders and whatnot after, but that is what would cause these fault codes to come up on here.